This video shows how you can view and open documents and view document information in the Dossier view. The Dossier view lists all documents in the employee workspace as thumbnails displaying the first page of the document. You have the following options. You can sort the document list by creation date or by classification. You can filter the list by searching for classifications. You can view the metadata attached to the document. Let's get started with sorting the document list. Access your workspace. To open the Dossier view, click the Dossier View tab. Move to the drop-down list. For example, switch the grouping by classification to grouping by creation date. Searching the document list. Click the search icon. In the search field, start typing a classification name. The selected document group will be displayed. Viewing document metadata. Find the document information below the document thumbnail. Mark a document as favorite to be shown in the favorites list on your home page. To open the document, click the thumbnail. Thanks for watching.